Hello guys, let's just do the regular tests here. Going to minimize OBS for a second. Switch this to the live chat. Test the volume. Switch this to the live chat. Test the volume. Yep, volume and everything's working. Alright, we're good, we're live. So I've had some things that were going on. So I wasn't quite able to make it a couple of days. A couple of personal issues, a couple of family issues. Going to just check out the local copy of repo for now. No, we don't need those. Kind of give you an overview of what I'll be doing. I got this local version right now of uploading for the game. It's just local, so they're on my network pretty much. And it's just uploading now. And so what I'll be doing, the local version of the game is we want to try to keep it small. So I'm going to be getting into the actual version that people are going to be able to access for the other people who are going to be working on it. We're going to be going through this and pretty much breaking it down into more easier spots to identify and what they need. So this deer will be kind of specifically designed for the lobby, so we'd be moving it into something like finding home, game modes, and lobby. And then in lobby we'll have AI, and then we will have animals, and then we would go to window, content, browser 2, we'd go to where that was. Creature, we see that it's a deer, so we go animals. Deers, so there could be more than one. We see that there's a buck there actually as well, so we'll do new folder, bucks, and then the deer, we will bring the AI deer and doe. We'll move them here. Move here. Not doing that one anymore. So Well, we'll just change that because we're doing this one here. Just waiting for it to finish, I guess. Still moving, so I think it's good. So what we'll be doing is then, yeah, like I said, bringing the deer and the doe over here, moving them here. Oh, send and restart. Try that again. I think it's because of this here. So it was just confused. We'll try that again. So browser 1, we got browser 2, and we want to move the deer over. Move. And yeah, I've been sick, so that's also why I wasn't able to stream for a bit. So we'll close that now. See if we could access this guy. Can't for sure check, can I? This is movable. I'm pretty sure I checked local copy. So I've been trying to add, and so I've been doing some tests, trying to add a repo, so for just like saving and stuff like that, as well as I have some friends now who are, after showing them the idea, who are willing to program with me. So version control connect. Perforce. So I believe I'm connected now. This is supposed to be just updating this server. So let's try to do that here. So we're gonna go content 1, content 2, and because it's still the same style game, same format and stuff, we actually have it opening up to the exact same folders. I remembered that. Alright, in a sense, but I didn't have the folder over here. I don't have that folder yet. So we gotta create it. So we gotta go finding home. We're not even gonna do finding home actually, because everything's gonna be in this main thing here. So we'll delete the empty folder. we'll go straight into AI. In AI, there's going to be animals. New folder for animals. And then in animals, there's going to be deers. In deers, we're going to have these guys here. Move here. Cancel. Stop saving all assets and return to the editor. Failed to save. Attempt to save the asset again. Skip saving this asset only. Version control. Check in. Add deer. All right. We'll go to all content. Actually, we'll fix up redirectors. It's read only. All right. Check in. Add deer 2. Seems like it's working. This is AI module behavior trees. I believe this is a BT behavior tree decorator. Okay. Odd here. So in AI, there's animals, but there's also going to be new folders for behavior tree decorators. Animal is in range. Behavior tree decorator. Move that here. animal, threat, alive, behavior tree decorator, make writable, warrior. This time I want to try just going out and just fixing these, fixing redirectors. Okay. We'll see how things work. AI, behavior tree decorators. Then we'll check in this asset here. And your tree in range. Add behavior tree decorator threat alive. Looks like it's working. Looks like it's good. So we have our mainline repo here. We don't need two repos. We're already working in this one. So let's see if we can delete this one. Change list description. That's why it probably took so long. Change. Submit. There we go. So we just have this repo here. And we're working on that now. So we want to see if we could check this out. Check this out. Check this out. We're gonna move these over here. And then we're gonna hit T and go animal attack. Behavior tree decorator. Animal flee. Behavior tree decorator. And F2 animal wander. Behavior tree decorator. So again, I want to go to content, AI, fix up redirectors, go here, fix up redirectors, go save all, deer there and the animals. Got our here, and we will check this in. I also want to see if I could check multiple in, actually. Check in, we got the 3 products, there we go. Finish, animal, behavior, tree, decorator, movement. I don't need to keep these files checked out at all. So, now that everything's up to date, we'll just actually try to go to Hyper. The main menu map should be in UI, main menu. This is the map, and we'll play the map here. Just see if everything works. AI Buck, play in editor. AI Buck did not work, so we'll go. Just removed him and something happened. AI behavior steer. Oh, we didn't move Buck yet. Actually, AI. So that actually would be in Hyper. AI creatures deer. We still have this Buck here. Okay, let's try to open up deer then. Looks like it just inherits from the the character class. So we'll just go to settings, parent, character. So we will go back to this one, finding home. We'll open it up. And we'll just take a look at the Buck class to make sure we have everything the same. I don't know why I can't just inherit from character. I don't know why the character class is not there. What? I'm just gonna move this over here for a second. Did I move it kept freezing, right? So it's actually still in Hyper. Hyper AI creatures deer Buck. Oh, it just comes from AI deer, PP deer. And it just changes some stuff. So, parent class is BP deer. See, it's just giving me animation blueprints. Why is that? Browser 1. If I go to hyper, AI, creatures, deer, this buck, revision control, check out. Revision control, revert. So the buck errored, on vision control. We'll go all classes, BP, deer. Animation deer. Say I do exist, I'm right here. Buck. AI. And we'll need the second window here. We'll go back to mine, animals, new folder, we'll call it bucks. And we will move it here. Red deer buck. Oh, we just added extra static mesh. And let's see more information on these antlers here. Zero, zero, zero. It is movable. Parent socket none. Red deer enabled. Tick. So he must do everything in code. So construct control go. And then get pawn name. We change that to Buck, I guess. Oh, was typing on the wrong thing. Buck. Should receive pawn to true. And relative get widget is 100 in the Z. There we go. And that's our Buck AI. And we will check an asset. Added Buck. So Buck is now working. I think we do need to go to Hyper AI creatures deer. I think we still have this broken Buck that we need to delete. There we go. We'll try to hit play again, see what happens. So everything seems to be working. Hit play. Wonder what's gonna happen. We had placed Bucks, but Bucks are now gone. And I had remade my Buck. So shouldn't really magically get Buck, but see, it's compiling for the first time, so fixing a bunch of that stuff. Trees and everything's there. Because I moved the deer are gone. Looks like the water isn't working. That's fine. The swimming's still working, just the water's not visible. Now we didn't move that creature. Is the creature still working? Yeah. Creature's still working. So we only killed the deer because we moved the deer when it wasn't finished loading yet. And I had a feeling that would happen. Alright. So go back to Windows, Content. Windows Content 2. So we kind of messed up our deer. That's okay. We will kind of fix those. So go in here. There's nothing here. We will fix up redirectors. Go out and fix up redirectors. And we'll do the fix up redirectors and fix up redirectors. And now we know that everything's fixed that we can, so we should be able to delete this. No, we can't. Something's still wrong there. That's fine. But anyway, we will go back out to AI and we will do a new folder called animations. And we will, first we have to check out. Then we should be able to move. Then we should be able to check in. Moved deer animation. Submit. Then we should be able to go AI. Folder. Animation. Notifies. Or I should say animation notification. Notifications. This would be animal attack animation notification. We'll move that over here, and we'll check that in. I didn't check it out, so yeah. Because lots of animals could use the same attack kind of thing. This is Blackboard AI. New folder. Blackboards. We move this here. Check out. There we go. Let's set it actually asked it there. For sure. Now blackboards. Let me open this up. Threat, starting location, flee. Yeah, this could definitely, this is just generic. So we will keep that with AI deer. Compile save, I guess. Check out. I don't think I really did anything to deer, but I will check this back in. Alright. Yeah. So we were at AI blackboards, and we want to at F2. We want to change it to animal blackboard. And then we have AI controllers. And we're going to move this over here. Well, we're going to check this out. Then move this over here. Move. And we're going to rename it. And we're going to call it animal AI. Artificial intelligent controller. And we're going to check this in. Move AIC. Don't need to keep that checked out. And we're going to AI, and we're going to have behavior trees. F2 behavior trees. We're going to move this over here. Move. And F2 animal behavior tree. And we're gonna check this in. I'm gonna move this away because I don't think you guys really need to look at that all the time. Good, good. So check AI, hyper, AI, creatures, deer, custom. Okay, see, let me do that. Let me. Let me show you guys that. So I'll just check in the repo here. I'm not too sure how good it is to have the repo and stuff open at the same time. So we have AI, we have our behavior decorators here. And it looks like we have animal attack, animal fleet, animals in range, animal threat, and a wander. It looks like we have these three set for deletion, but these two aren't, so I can't remove that. So, we'll hit delete, continue. We'll hit delete, continue, and then we'll submit. Moving things. Submit. Error. So yeah, if we can't, we're gonna try to delete this. Oh, it let us. Okay, good. And now we should be able to delete this. No. Grazing idle. Montage. These are redirectors, so we'll go back out. Fix up redirectors. Fix up redirectors. Those are these three. Make writable. Fix up redirectors. Fix up redirectors. Save all. And now I should be able to clear this deer. No? Might be something that's still stuck in here. Alright. Cleared it out there. There we go. Save all. Save all. So then we have this guy. Monster Works. Or do I want to say crawler? Because this guy kind of crawls on the ground. Wander, threat, attack, stuff like that. Let's actually look at his animation blueprint, which we're calling here. If we are looking at the states here, ragdoll, idle. Why do we have lots of ragdoll? State machine, new state machine. Why is it just crawl? It's actually called crawl. So we'll call this guy a crawler. So any kind of crawling crawler. Crawling enemy, I guess. Behavior tree looks like the first one here. Crawlers. Behavior tree. Check out. Move here. Check it. Moving. Submit. This is AI controllers that I'm looking at here. AI controller. So that was this is a crawler, AI controller. Checkout. Wonder if it should be like checkout or writable. So I move this guy here, and then I'm going to check in. Let's go back out to the content folder. Let's fix up redirectors here. And fix up redirectors here. So there is redirectors. Check out. Content of AI. And this is the creature himself. So this is not an animal. So we'll change this to like zombies. Zombies. New folder, we'll do crawlers. And then we got this guy here. And we'll move him here. And that's his actual name for now, so we'll leave that the same. Fix the redirectors. Make writable. So if I go back to those things there, I think it's this AI controller. Yes, I think make writable just takes it out and saves it right away. And checkout just checks it out, so because you're going to be doing more stuff with it. This is a blackboard, so we will call this crawler blackboard. I'm gonna check this out because I'm still moving it. So yeah, we're gonna move it here, and then we're gonna check her in, and we're gonna do a content update here for both of these. Fix up redirectors, just the crawler behavior tree, and we will check that out because I don't think we moved that. Trees are here. No, these are decorators. We didn't get to tree, did we? Behavior tree. Well, these are decorators. What am I doing? Behavior trees. I did. So we can't. We could have just checked that back in. Check in. I'll just save that as is. That's a little tedious, but we'll get things a little bit more organized here. So. Because we're going to have lots of maybe enemies and stuff that are the same. So, we got this animation blueprint here. And animations. We will check this guy out. Check out. Move this here. And we will rename him. To crawler. Animation blueprint. And then we'll check this in. But really, it's kind of tied to that guy, so I don't know. Because different sizes and stuff like that. But you can still do some mapping and things. So we'll have to see from there. Just so I know I've touched it, I'll make writable. No, it doesn't check it back in, so I'm not too sure what the difference is. I'll have to find that out when the guys get the server and stuff. So, trees. These are decorators. So we're going to AI, decorators. So we'll just say crawler animation. BTD. So we might make a new folder and call this one animal. And we'll have to check these out, move them here, check these in, clean up, clean up, clean up. And then we'll do new folder, crawler. check out all of these because we'll be doing stuff with them. Check out, and we will move them here. We'll change this one to crawler attack BTD. And again, I like to make sure I do this as a suffix, so like again, if you're looking for crawlers, it's alphabetical order, right? Or if you're looking for animations or attack or whatever, that's going to go up alphabetical order. So this is crawler, wander, BTD. And crawler is thread alive, all one, BTD, and crawler is threats in range, BTD. And now why I have crawler in the front is we could have is threat in range, BTD, and is threat alive, BTD, for multiple different creatures and animals and types. So I want to differentiate when I'm looking to slot something in. I want to be able to find out, oh, this is the crawler one, you know what I mean? And so I'll click these guys in and I'll check them in now. Clean up. Okay, we'll go back to content. We will fix up redirectors. Check out. And we will fix up redirectors. Check out. And we'll go through these things to make sure they're all checked in. Animals, deers, notifications, animations, decorators, behavior tree. So we gotta check these guys in. Check in. I should just click them both. Check in. But I'm learning here. We'll get this going. Check in. Right. Blackboards are good. Zombies, crawlers. We gotta check this boy in. Check in. Alright. So again, we will fix up redirectors, and then we'll try to we'll try to get rid of this though. The tree is done. Didn't work. We'll go back here, see what is going on here. Clean that up right there. So that's looking pretty clean. So submit, and we are delete this guy. Okay, continue, and for these guys we will submit. Okay, there we go. It's done in the server. I should be able to delete this now. Yep. Good. Yeah, I think we're doing good. We'll just keep moving things over here, and Sorry about that. That's just messaging with the wife. She's just coming back from work. All right, so we have textures. This is all the textures for that monster guy, right? Where do I want to put that? Do I want to put that in textures? Or do I want to actually put that with the monster AI? Animals, zombies, crawlers. Chicken. Do I want to? It just looked weird because he's like floating up in the air. Where do I want to put the textures? Like before, I just had textures. Yeah, I think I'll do that still. So I'll do a folder and call it textures. And then here I'll do a folder and call it zombies. And then a folder for crawlers. And then we'll get this guy's name or whatever. What's his name? So we go to AI, no, not AI, controllers, just zombies, that's right, crawlers. He's this thing. If F2, I'll actually just take that, Control C, we'll go back into textures, zombies, crawlers, folder, and we'll hit that, test, so whatever that thing is called. And we will do this big bulk checkout. You're a proponent for a large amount of files, 40 files. Are you sure you want to creator? No. Okay. I don't like that error. Let's try checkout. No, how many can we do? 5? Checkout. We do 5 at a time. Okay, move here. I don't even know if we're going to use this guy, so I won't spend the time fixing up the naming convention for this stuff. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. Let's see if we could do 9. We just like one row at a time. Control checkout. Yes. It's a little bit easier. So we'll move this over here. And we will check in. So we will. I understand, change log. I can't see what I'm doing. There we go. And we will revision control checkout. Yeah, it's just highlighted because we had move here. And we will check in. Very unprofessional with just the ASD, but I'll let people know that I was just kind of moving and cleaning assets up. For when they start working on it, check out. Move here. Check in. Check out. move. And then we check in. All right. So again, we're gonna go all the way out to content. We're gonna fix up redirectors. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna fix up redirectors. We should get some, some material instances. We'll check those out because we'll have to still move them at some time. And again, I don't know what make writable does, so we'll do that. So we fix that, and I have a feeling that again we'll have to do the kind of things. So with that done, we will try to delete this folder. It worked, so I think checkout is the way to go. We will not do any kind of writer thing. All right, so rig, so AI, and so we will also continue with that format. So we have textures. We gotta continue. We gotta continue with that. So we got skeleton meshes and skeleton meshes, just like we did in textures. There's zombies. So there's gonna be a new folder for zombies. New folders for crawlers. And unlike textures, you can see there's only one thing, right? So it's just zombies, crawlers. We're not going to have another subfolder for this guy because we're only moving the skeleton mesh. So we're going to move this here. So in order to do that again, we want to right click, check out, move here. Again, we don't need to change the naming convention because we're not really touching that guy much. And then we will check in. And we'll just do that. Boom. And you notice right away all these got affected. Yes. So then we're going to have a new folder for just skeletons. And then a new folder for zombies. And then a new folder for crawlers. And we move this here. Oh, we gotta check it out first. Check out. Move this here. And we will be checking in. And this would be new folder. Oh, we gotta check all these things now. Just physics asset. Hope the guys come and check my spelling on stuff. Zombies. Then crawlers. And then we're gonna check out. Move. Check in. All right. Last but not least, we got control rigs. Control rigs. Zombies. Crawlers. And we're going to drag this over, move here. Oh, check out, shoot. It's going to go right to the check plus. Check in. I hope we didn't wreck anything with that. Go. So now we have to do a lot of fix up redirectors. Fix up redirector. Fix up redirector. Fix up redirector. Check all those out. once we get through this whole Thusian guy, we gotta run the map again and see if he's still there and still does things, or else see if there's broken stuff. So we will fix up redirectors, 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 fix up redirectors. Save all. Okay. We'll try this. Delete. It is working. Actually got a message from one of the guys, I think. Give them a thumbs up. It's just for health and fitness. Alright, so we're gonna have a new folder for materials. And the first folder will be masters. Oh, that's not masters. Masters. These are aliens, and there's skin, and there's saliva, there's a bunch of stuff, so there's a couple of masters here. It's a master. It's, zombies. Crawlers. And because this one has a bunch, we'll have to add this guy's name or whatever. We could just put alien for now. No, there's a couple other aliens. We actually kind of want to add his actual name. Where was that? That was in Skeletonmistress? Yeah, well, it's here anyway. F2. F2, sorry. Control C. So we'll go back to materials, zombies, crawlers. F2. And we got that guy's name. We don't need skeleton, because we already know. And surface profile. Interesting. We'll move these over here. We will check these out, then move these over here. I don't like that I have this in masters. Actually, we'll have to come back to that maybe. So this is a good place. So we note that we have to come back to that. Check in. Again, if we go to contents and we start fixing up redirectors. We save all, we should be able to just delete that folder with no problemo. Fix up redirectors, fix up redirectors, fix up redirectors. Alright, and we'll save all. We'll go back to here and we should delete this. Now we just got the animations here. So the animations here is like animation blueprints, and still we should probably break them down because we might get a lot. I do want to change that from deer to animal. No, we still, yeah, we're going to get a lot. Animals. And we're going to go zombies. Move here. We'll check out this. And move that there. So this is like a blueprint. It has a bunch of code and stuff in it. These don't have code in it. They're just like straight up animations. Now this guy's going rawr, and this is like some sort of getting off of the ground kind of thing. That's crawling and things like that. But yeah, so let's check this out. I hit delete here. Really? This animation references a movie. That's just a preview and stuff like that. Where does it reference this movie? Crawl sequence. So you see this, he's crawling, rawr, 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 rawr. If I remove elements, he's still going to crawl. If I save, he's still going to crawl. If I delete, because we don't need the movie at all. But some stuff like that. So this idle. This is this lean one here, I think. There's two of them actually. This is scream actually. This is stand up. And this must be idle actually. Yeah, this is the idle. So we're going back here. Idle looks fine. We delete this. Save it. Idle still looks fine. Delete this. There we go. And that's the reason why I'm doing this, because we're going through. We do need the animation montage of the scream, right? We do want that in there, for if we have like a zombie or some sort of animation, like we'll know how to code that. We'll know, like, just in case if somebody forgets how to do this. So this is the stand up. I guarantee the stand up has this. There we go. We'll delete it. We know this is the same as the other ones. It just works. There's no problem about it. We'll close this. Now we could just delete this guy. No, it's still. Oh, it still uses the scream too. Scream. And so again, we'll go here. We'll data use it. And we'll save this. Yep. And it's not used anymore. Right. So again, this is not so we might actually just have new folder, animations, right? And then we'll go into zombies, crawlers, and then again we have to get this guy's name here. So new folder. We got this guy, whatever his name is here. I cannot say that. I will not attempt it. Remove these here. Move. So I'm glad we already got to clean up some stuff that we did not need. So now this is all moved. We're gonna click on these guys and check them in. Check in. Fix the redirectors. Fix the redirectors. Fix the redirectors. Fix the redirectors. Yep, we can take that out. Localization, it shouldn't do anything. Materials, maybe. Fix the redirectors. Movies, shouldn't do anything. Fix the redirectors. Physics, assets. Fix the redirectors. So then fix the redirectors. Fix the redirectors. Fix the redirectors. And fix the redirectors. There we go. And again, we'll save and we'll see if this works. We can just nicely delete this guy. Yes. We can just nicely delete this guy. Yes. We could nicely delete this guy. Yes. Look at that. We gone through a whole folder. Just crushing it. Just a ton of folders to go through. Right. But the example I want to go is voice animation, maps. Needs to go. Like we'll have our own local copies that people could grab if they need examples of things. Or I'll have the local copy. Need example of things. You know what I mean? Yeah. I think there was even more there. There's like maps, example images. There's just example images. We don't need these. They're just taking up space. So I'll be clearing out all that stuff and really thinning down the proper things here. So hyper AI. Looks like all this stuff is just kind of basic. So out in the content folders we will have enums. It's just called enums. Enumeration. We'll just do AI. So I get checkouts. Move this over here. We're gonna rename this. And then we'll check this in. Again, I changed that to a suffix just because it will order things So like AI this, AI that, AI this, AI, you know what I mean? Like, and this would be B for alphabetical. Automatically make it alphabetical for me. So AI blackboards. I do not think we're gonna have a crazy amount of blackboards. So again, humanoid, basic, BB. I can agree with that. That makes sense. So check that out. We'll move this over here. And we'll check that in. All right. Behavior tree. Humanoid, basic, behavior tree. Check it out. Move that over here. Check it back in. This is AI controller. 2 BP controller, AI. Oh, it's gonna be humanoid, AIC. That's it. Check it out. Move it over here. Check it in. Tasks. These are the BT. Yeah. The decorators. We'll do here. We'll do humanoid. And I'm sure somebody's going to fix my naming convention there. So we'll just grab these 3. We will check them out. We will move them. We will do threat alive. BTD. Ooh. Human. Threat alive. BTD. Rename again. Human. Random location. Random location is one thing. BTD. And rename human. Attack the player. BTD for behavior tree decorator. Then we'll collab all 3. We'll check them in. And we'll go to all content again. Sorry guys. It's just there's a lot of redirectors that could get messed up. Save all. There we go. Now we've done some pretty significant moves and some pretty significant changes. I'm gonna go save all. One of the things I want to do is submit content. Submit. Yeah. So it should be submitted change. Got to do. just want to go through, confirm that all of the things are checked in. I wanted to know if there's a way to check everything in. I hope that's it. Submitting the content. Behavior trees. Blackboards. Zombies. The blueprints are not going to have that many individuals. We don't need a new folder for individual. Zombies. No acids to check in. Yeah, so I believe it checked everything in. Content. Fix projectors. Save all. So we are going to see if we can run the map again. All I did was move stuff, but you never know, right? Going to the cave for sure. The water's here and everything now. Like you still messed up those deer. Those deers aren't here. And the monster guy's still there. Actually works and then it just crashed after removing him. Yeah, everything works. Okay. Sick. Ooh, we are way over here. Anyway. Whoop. There we go. Alright, so everything's going good actually. Yeah, I like when everything going smooth, so I gotta just make sure that everybody could get a hold of the content good when I switch it to the server. That'll be the big mystery then, I guess. But they should be able to. So this is AI humanoid master. So AI, this is controllers, blackboards, behaviors. Humans. Let's do humans. Oh, it says humanoid. Humanoid master. So we'll move this guy over here. Yeah, we'll move them and we'll check out. That seems to be working. Ooh, crash. We'll restart. I will close this because we don't need this right now. I will close this because we don't need that right now. Pictures. I will close these. I will. Could I close this? We might need that. Alright, so Windows, Content Browser 2. So we'll try to do this first. Oh, I lost revision control. First. So I was checking out this guy. I was trying to move him. Move here. Work this time. I'll rename him. He will be just human. Master. AI. Did I do that for the animal stuff? Yeah, AI. I gotta fix these guys too. Dear AI. And check out Do AI. Go. Humans, master. The basic is because it just comes with the basic. This is advanced. I gotta go back. They just set Manny. This is just for the male. Yeah. So Master Advance versus Basic. Human Master AI. Human Master AI. And it just has all the better components. It's all the same, but it has just all the basic components, which we won't be using. Okay, so we do not need the basic, guys. We got the master, and then we just need the advanced that comes off the master. So we need to delete this girl, combat map example, and combat zone example. This is in combat system map. This is also in combat system map. So we will get rid of those maps. So we go to hyper, combat system, maps. Yeah, I realized we gotta check that out and then delete it. There we go. Foliage and auto leveler. So nothing there now. Nothing there now. Yeah. Alright. So now we should be able to delete these guys. Just so we don't have that like crash again, I'll check these guys out. I should have did that both at the same time. And then I'll delete them because they don't have anything. We do not need them. They're taking up space on us. Check out. So we should be able to delete this now. Yep. Delete this now. Yep. Then we should be able to check this guy out, and then we'll move them over here. Ooh, did it again. Restart. Dislike that. Check version control. Oh, it shows that this guy's still not ours, but there was unsaved stuff that I realized. I had 9 unsaved things. Try again. There we go. F2, human, advanced, master, AI. So again, we'll have to check those. If we go, see if we can fix up some redirectors here. Check out. Fix redirectors. Fix redirectors. Fix redirectors. Fix redirectors. It's good that it's still letting us fix up the redirectors. Just sucks that there's 9 things that needed to be saved and it just exited, so I don't know if those are going to be buggy, and so we'll have to check everything and make sure it all works. But again, we do have other tons of main projects that are working, so fix redirectors, fix redirectors, fix redirectors, fix the redirectors. There we go. Right, so AI, humans, we will try to bring these guys over one at a time, and we will try to check out modified files, submit, there we go. Save all. Yeah, we should be able to delete this here. Ooh, cancel. We're gonna have to do some fixing up the redirectors again. Just those last two, I guess. Central. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We got one whole folder down. So attribute system map we do not need. It's taking up space. We do not want that. Blueprint manager. All they do is change the character and the pawn and the thing. So we will delete this. Images. Get pawn, player name. There we get that. Oh. It's not allowing me to. This is not a map, so I should be able to just do this for that. Thank you. Add pawn and radius for interface and this. So yeah. You don't need these sprites. Don't need these guys here. UI hitbox damage. See, these are good. So this is camera modifiers. Camera modifiers. Camera modifiers. There. So we will check these guys out. And we'll move them over here. And we'll check them back in. Example gamepads. We don't need these. These are ridiculous. Pawn and radius widgets. Is the advanced built off the basic? Ooh, basic players. The human master uses the basic as well. These guys just use the basic. Okay. Does anything use the advanced manager? Just the advanced characters right now. Okay. Okay, I can live with that. Can I delete this? No. Redirectors still aren't working. Okay. Cancel. So contents, fix redirectors, fix redirectors, fix redirectors, fix redirectors, fix redirectors, fix redirectors. Just the one so far. Alright, let me fix redirectors, fix redirectors, fix redirectors. Oh, reference viewer now. Fix redirectors, fix redirectors, fix redirectors, fix redirectors, save all. So we'll deal with these outside guys first. These are just actors. So this affects, like, if you're dizzy or whatever. This is fire, cold, this is different states. Your character goes in. I'll make an effects folder. Check out. Move. F2, so this will be just a fire effect. This is just a state effect. And then we'll check those back in. See, there's 5 unsaved. We'll save all. Check out. These are components, so we will do components. And check out. Move here. And we will attribute manager basic. This is rename. This is attribute manager advance. These are components. And even then, I might not need to put the C on the end. I'll save all here. This is the interface. This is a component. That's control checkout. Move here. We're going to rename pawns in radius advanced components. Yeah, and so I'll be doing this as fast as I can, guys. And just so you know, this is an interface, so what we'll be doing is just checking this in. Saving all. And we will go to content, and we would make a folder for interfaces. And then we would just move this over. Pawn and radius interface. Check out. Move here, and then we would do check in. But yeah, we would always that buck, hey? But yeah, it's 11 o'clock, so I have to end here. But yeah, we would just be doing, I'm just going to be doing that and trimming all the levels out of this, like the build system level, the crafting level. Oh, the crafting doesn't have a level. Good, that'll be easy. And we'll be just organizing it all. You know what I mean? And then I might organize it slightly more after that, but this is good for now. Thank you guys so much for coming in to stream, and I should be able to see you guys on Tuesday. So, ciao for now. Uh-oh. Won't let me stop.